Hi, I'm Nico, and today we are putting together and filling this 4x4 easy assembly raised bed kit from Garden Dreams. This kit is made from 100% rot-resistant cedar and requires no tools to assemble. The wood panels slide easily into the corner notches, and the top caps are secured with wooden dowels. After assembling, we are going to add a weed fabric. This will also help prevent soil from escaping out of the bottom when you water. Here I am securing it with staples. Now that our fabric is in place, we can start adding soil. For this bed, I'm using the Meyer raised bed mix, but I'm also adding some chicken manure, lava sand, dried molasses, and worm castings. These things are going to help jumpstart your soil and feed the microbes. Be sure to mix all of these ingredients thoroughly and water them in when you're done. After that, you're ready to plant. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a super easy assembly. It only took about 20 minutes from start to finish. And be sure to follow along for more informational videos.